If you're getting tired of those automatic code suggestions in VS Code, let me show you how to disable or adjust autocomplete in just a few quick steps. First, open Visual Studio Code, then click the gear icon at the bottom left and select Settings. In the search bar, type IntelliSense or Suggest. You'll see several options related to editor suggestions and completions. To completely turn off autocomplete, disable quick suggestions and suggest on trigger characters. You can also set them to trigger only manually when you press Ctrl plus Space. If you prefer editing the settings file directly, click the Open Settings.json icon and add this line. This gives you full control and keeps VS Code clean from automatic pop-ups. And that's it. You've disabled autocomplete in VS Code. Now you can type distraction-free and trigger completions only when you want them. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.